Expected to win this, obviously, with a 3-game winning streak. But UP's really making it hard on them now. But the volleyball match is won in 2 sets, partner.
Alam niya na, abangan yung mga malalakas niyang palo. So,
Kaliwete pa naman. Alam mo namang mahirap timingan lagi itong mga kaliwete dito sa UAP. Sino naalala mo, partner, in terms na speaking of UST?
Yes, speaking of UST, the queen herself.
Yes. It's good. Lumusot sa blocking. So 1-2 for UP. Speaking of, let's under the weather, not being able to play. That is a statement coming from the UP side.
And sa isa pang nami-miss ng UP, yung blocking ni Itang.
Yeah, of course. Tsaka intense si Nina, vet, yun na nga, vet. She's contagious in terms of her energy. Open to Poyos. Rejected at the net by Kian Olango. She's seen that a ton of times.
Download and subscribe. Now back to you, Boom and Eliza.
And to add to what Jersey mentioned about Beth Tilongo here, you know, as you know rin, Eliza, any Coach Kung Fu team, they want their players to be all around. Hindi lang one-dimensional. And that's why advantage nga daw kay Beth Tilongo na service specialist siya last year or yun nga, libero. At binigyan ng pagkakataon dito sa UST. And now, you know, playing some major minutes for UST. And again, so like that second set, UP with another good start here. In the third, Haponeta with a strong dig. And it's back on the UP side. Reverse to Olango. Cassie chooses Banagua, who puts it away. 9-6. Hilongo. Set up to Aboneta, gets it to crawl through the net. Good defense there by Beth Hilongo. Dump ball is still alive, and it's back with UP open. Pepito nakaabang sa cross. Hilongo again. Nice slide there by Capistrano. And Kian gets it through. 17 points.
Pero it might be the right time to give and activate her middles, but not with that receive.
Yun ang nagiging problema. What a set by De Leon, and what a dig by Pepito. Chance here for UP. Reverse. Kian again. Dog by Jurado. Sa gitna, pero nakailalim. The tip. Pepito was there for coverage. Poyos from behind. Pipe attack for Angge. Aboneta, cut shot. Cassie opens up to Altea. And Altea with a hit out. Long exchange. And he hates it so much when his teams are playing safe, no? Gusto niya laging hampasan.
Katulad ni Poyos. Sabi niya, hampasin. Talaga si Coach Kung Fu.
Lead is down to 4 again. Back to UP. Isulan. De Leon. That's off a UST player.
I guess Coach Bok has been telling them to just serve it hard. And if it's a mess, then babawi sila sa susunod. And that's they're trying to do right now. Again, Bansel sa side ng UP.
That's 9 service errors, partner, for UST. Abu saving 1 point here. Down 5, but dalawa. They save 1 set point. Julia to Deering. Pepito was ready. Altea to Poyos. Isulan has been spectacular for UP. Pepito, Carballo, Jurado pulls! And that will be a UST point.
They're in the zone already.
1 set point saved again. Pepito keeping it alive. Poyos is waiting. Angge goes high. Julia, Haponeta. And UP sends us to a 4th set.